Hello friends, how you guys doing? Welcome to JumieAnne's channel. Today's video I'm going to show you a quick way that I get this here done. If you remember on a few of my video ago, I did a 2-strand twist and it was the same 2-strand twist that I use on this Faux Locs crochet braid. I really like it because it looks more natural, more like locks. This is exactly how I want it because I do not want my hair to be too full, because if it's too full I would not be able to pack it for work. This way I can wear my hair back like so, and I can still be able to wear my work headgear. So I'm really happy with it and I'm planning on wearing this for like 2 to 3 weeks. And in case you're wondering, it took me like about an hour and a half to do this, and in between I took a break and do some things and then come back to continue. I used 3 packs of crochet braid. It's not too long and it's not a lot of hair. If you want to see how I achieve this hairstyle, please continue to watch. If you have any question for me, please leave it in the comment below and I will surely answer it. If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up and let me know what you want to see. Starting by moisturizing my 2-strand twist with water, following with my mixed oil. I desaturated my hair with water because I want to keep the moisture as long as possible. These 2 steps before I start the crochet, it's very important to me. So I took my time with this. I use the Goddess locks. The length is 14 inches. Of course, you can use a longer hair if you want to. I bought 3 packs of color 1 and 1 pack of color 4. I used 3 packs of color 1 in this video and I plan to add color 4 later to highlight my hair. I will be using wrapping method on this video. Using the crochet tool to insert the hair into the bottom of the twist, I put the crochet braid through my hair. Kept the tool in and insert the tip of the hair through the loop of the crochet braid. I do this so I will not disturb the loop of the crochet braid, because if I do and mess it up a little bit, it's not going to make my hair look neater in the bottom. First lock was made by rolling the hair in one direction, which allows it to unwind when unrolled in opposite direction. Start by unwind from the bottom little at a time and start wrapping it around your hair like so. Do this until you finish covering your hair. Take your time, it gets easier as you go. If you have any question on this video, on anything regarding this hair, please let me know on the comment box below. If you have interest in another type of method, I have another video that I'm going to be linking up here and below on the description box. Thank you friends for watching this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. XOXO. Mwah.